This is for 10 methods pathway. It covers sketching quadratics in 9.5. Question 1 asks, sketch by finding the shape, the y-intercept, the x-intercept, the turning point, and the axis of symmetry, and to label those in your graph. Okay, if it is a positive x squared term, it's a smiley face. If it's a negative x squared term, it's a sad face. To find the y-intercept, let x equal to 0. To find the x-intercept, let y equal to 0. Turning points can be found a number of ways. You can complete the square and then read the turning point information. The x-coordinate is equal to minus b over 2a. Or you can go halfway between the x-intercepts. So really you've got 3 different methods of being able to find the turning point. And which one you use will depend upon the circumstances of the question you have. The axis of symmetry is a vertical line through the turning point. Therefore it's going to be x equals minus b over 2a. Okay, let's take into account 9.5 question 1a. The x squared term is positive, so the parabola is going to look like this. To find the y-intercept, let x equal 0. Y when x equals 0 should be 21. So the y-intercept is 0, 21. To find the x-intercept, 0 equals x squared minus 10x plus 21. I could crisscross negative 7, negative 3, x, minus 7x, minus 3x, minus 10x. That's correct. So x minus 7, x minus 3 equals 0, which means x equals 7 or 3. So my x-intercepts are at 7, 0, and 3, 0. How do I find the turning point? Well, the turning point, I've got a number of ways of finding. If I have x-intercepts at 7 and at 3, the turning point is going to be dead middle, 5. So another turning point will be 5 and some y value. I could sub that x value into here and find out what y equaled. Y when x equals 5 should equal 5 squared minus 10 times 5 plus 21. 25 minus 50 plus 21 minus 25 minus 4 should be my answer. There's my turning point. What's the other way of finding the turning point? I can complete the square. Completing the square will put it into a turning point form. So y equals x squared minus 10x plus half of 10 is 5, 5 squared is 25, minus 25 plus 21 equals x minus 5 all squared minus 4. Turning point then is at 5 and negative 4. Again, the same answer. You could say that the turning point is at x equals minus b over 2a. b is negative 10, so minus 10 is 10. a is 1 over 2, therefore 5. Okay, there's 3 different methods of finding the turning point. You don't need to do all 3, just pick the one that you wish to do. So what does my parabola look like? Well, I know that it goes through there at 21, it goes through there at 3 and at 7, and turns there at 3, 7, 5, negative 4, x, y. I show the axis of symmetry via a dashed line through the turning point and put the equation of x equals 5 onto it.